we're doing an unboxing of Addicted, Ana Luisa. No idea what this box is or what this box is, so it's gonna be a surprise. Starting off with Ana Luisa, I absolutely adore this brand. They're based in New York and they're a sustainable jewelry brand. I have a bracelet and then I also have 2 rings and they have not tarnished and I've had them for months. This is what their cute little box looks like. They're running a huge Black Friday sale right now, so make sure to shop now while the sales last. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely adorable. Stop. Look at how adorable the little star charms are on this bracelet. I have a bracelet on from them that's quite similar to this. I wear this every day. I love bracelets that dangle on your arm. I think that's just the cutest thing ever. Next, another bracelet. This one just has little pearls on it. So when I tell you I'm in love with anything Ana Luisa. I also have 2 rings from them on right now, and again, I adore these. They have not tarnished. If you guys are looking to get ahead on your holiday shopping, make sure to go shop Ana Luisa's Black Friday sale while supplies last. Stock is running low, so definitely run to check out. The link is in my description box. Next is this random package. Oh, Clarence. I got this serum and then I also got this lip oil. I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh, the smell is actually amazing. Thank you so much, Clarence, for sending that. I'm kind of obsessed with this bumblebee yellow. It's so pretty. This is the brand. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, so I'm not gonna try. Dry skin hand cream, an overnight rest oil serum. Whoa. My mom will be obsessed with this. And lastly, they gave me shower oil. Wait, I'm so excited to try this. This is actually insane. There's even more stuff on the floor. It's just a red and cream stripe sweater. It's just a red and cream swipes. Not to be dramatic or anything, but like I can't speak. This is actually part of a set, but I did not get the bottoms, unfortunately. So we're not really starting off that strong because, I'm gonna be honest, I'm not really in love with this sweater. It's just not doing too much for me. Then I got these little sleepwear pants. Look at how cute. They're like a blackish navy plaid. These are actually so adorable. They fit exactly how I would have hoped they would fit. I rolled over the bottoms and this is what they look like from the back. I also love the little buttons on the front. That's so cute. I am sure you guys have seen this all over TikTok. The viral checkered pink and red top. This is the cutest thing ever for Valentine's Day. I'm absolutely obsessed with the little ruffles on the bottom and all the different checkered print. This lace detail right here with the string through it is so cute. The straps are adjustable, so that's a huge plus. More pink, of course. Who's surprised? This is precious. And then it goes down into a V in the front, so I feel like that'll be really flattering. I don't know where to start because first of all, it like really squishes your chest, but then this part doesn't suction you in at all. It's not corseting as it should corset. Obsessed. Look at that striping down the sides, and with this cream, I feel like that just makes it pop. These could have been so cute, but the material just makes them so bad. They're just not stretchy, and it's just thick, cheapish material. This is such nice material. Look at how stretchy it is. I feel like this will just be so pretty. I love this. Of course I love it. I already have it in cream. It's just perfect. The way that this lays off the shoulder is so cutesy. And honestly, just the way it feels, it's such a nice material and it's not scratchy at all. Now for a little set that I got. I usually don't wear my sets together. Like whenever I buy sets, I wear the top with plain pants. Or I wear the pants with a plain top. But I still like buying the set. This kind of like an oatmeal colored striped long sleeve. And then these are the matching bottoms. They're wide leg leggings and then they have a fold over top. It's gonna be another no for me. I love you, Addicted, but this just does not cut it. There's no stretch in this neckline. Like when I put it on, it barely fit over my head. It's really like tight in the armpits, and the stripes down the legs is just a little bit much. I got this little lace top and I didn't realize how sheer it is. Oh my goodness. I feel like you're gonna be seeing things through this. But I absolutely love the details. Like, is that not so cute and unique? It's not see-through at all. I thought it would be, but it's not. And it has a little zipper on the side, so it's easy to put on and you won't break yourself trying to get into it. Then I got this little skirt. Is this not absolutely the cutest thing ever for fall? With the different plaid layers, there are built-in shorts and they're super soft. They're kind of like a soft, stretchy spandexy material. When brands put shorts in mini skirts, it is just such a blessing because I wear shorts under all my mini skirts anyway. This little skirt actually fits me so well. It's truly low rise. Look at the back, fully covered, and of course the little shorts are underneath. This is one of the things that I was most excited about in the haul. I already have this in black and white, but I had to get another one because this color combo is so cute. The navy with the light blue. The fit of this is just the cutest thing ever. I lived in mine last winter. It feels chunky, but it doesn't weigh on you, if that makes sense. And I love how big the sleeves are. Like, they're so obnoxiously big. I feel like that makes it so much cuter. I just love it. The detailing is really nice as well. It's a very good quality sweater. Who's surprised? I got it in yet another color. Of course I had to get the pink and white one. And the quality of these are really nice. Mine is held up from last winter and there's no pilling or anything. If you are planning on buying one of these, I'd recommend either this color or the black and white that they sell. The blue and navy is super cute, but I feel like it's just not really practical. You're not going to wear it that much because you can't wear it with like dark jeans. It just looks silly in my opinion. I just want to point out that it matches my nails absolutely perfectly and that makes it a 10 out of 10. Another off-the-shoulder top. This one is even cuter, dare I say, than the navy one. Look at the little bell sleeves, and then I love this ribbing detailing on it. I think that's so cute. I didn't show you this on the last one, but all of their off-the-shoulder tops come with like a silicone lining so that it stays up on you and it won't like budge or fall down. The top itself, like it's supposed to stay up, is kind of tight, which is a good thing because then it doesn't fall down at all, but it's pretty nice quality. I wasn't exactly sure how I felt about this in the photos, but I wanted to take a chance on it anyway. I don't really know, is it cute or is it giving little girl? It's a very light pink and I feel like that with the ruffles gives little girl vibes. Back has just some stretchy smocking in it. I take back anything I said about this looking little girlish. I don't know what I was on about. One, I love pink, and two, I love ruffles. The detailing on the bottom is so cute and look at the way it kind of layers out. The lines down the front give structure to the top as well. I'm a sucker for a tube top and obviously stripes because half the things I ordered today have stripes on them. But we're just gonna ignore that. This is so cute and the material is so nice and soft. I'm literally gonna be living in this during the summer. It's so flattering. It has the little silicone on the top because it's strapless. When I said half my order was stripes, I really meant it. I don't really know what was going through my head. But it's not my fault though. I feel like it's more Eddikted's fault for having everything on their website striped. So, don't come for me. Wait, I love this. It's a very light sweater. I feel like this will definitely be a cute cover up for the beach. It's just a really loose neckline. This fits exactly how I wanted it to fit. I rolled over the sleeves because I felt like that just added a little bit more layer to the sweater. I feel like they could have made the neckline a little bit looser, but other than that, it's so cute. I like that it's kind of a ripped look. It's not finished. This is more of a winter sweater though because it's kind of chunky and it's just a thicker material. This also kind of looks like black, not navy. It's like really dark navy. I feel like I've seen this sweater all over TikTok and Pinterest. I love the chunky knit detailing, the big neckline to it, even the way that it's rolled up at the edges. So I completely understand the hype now because this is absolutely adorable. I love the way that it rolls over your hands and even like off the shoulder. If you're buying anything from this haul, definitely get this sweater. It's totally worth all the social media hype. I love it.